Welcome to Sharasa's classes. Today we'll be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. We have question number 35 in hand. This is the multiple select question, so any one or more of the options can be correct. So starting with the question, on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, which of the following amino alcohol or alcohols will yield compound P? This is the compound P, and we have to say among which of these four options will yield P compound upon reaction with NaNO2 and HCl. So first we have to realize that in option number A, this NH2 is present in the axial position, and in compound, that is in option number D, the NH2 in the compound is present in axial position, whereas in B and D the NH2 is present in equatorial position, and in C it is also present in equatorial position. So the presence of NH2 in the axial position for both these cases will lead to an unstable chair form. So compound P will be given by option number B or option number C and not by A or D, because this NH2's presence in axial position will lead to a unstable chair form. So we can eliminate option A and option D. Now starting with option number B, this is the compound we have. There's an NH2 in equatorial position, there's an OH here, and this. So upon reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, we know that this will give us a compound with a N triple bond N present here and a plus charge over here. So, and this is the portion of the compound itself. Now this will leave, taking the bond with it. So here a positive charge will develop here. So this compound will look like this with a positive charge here and OH here. OH is present here, and this structure. So this upon rearrangement will give us a 5-membered ring with this structure present here, and this will be a CH2 group. So this is option number B, and this successfully gives the product P. So option number B is correct. And moving on to option number C, we have this structure with NH2 here and OH present in axial position, and this structure. So now when giving NaNO2 and HCl, we will get a compound which looks like this with a N triple bond N attached here. Okay. Here there's a N triple bond N with a positive charge over nitrogen here, and the OH is present here and the structure. So this, when followed by the losing of N2, this bond is taken away by N2, so there develops a positive charge here. A positive charge develops at this point, and there is OH is here, and this upon rearrangement will also give the product P, which looks like this, CHO. Basically this will be behind and this part will be forward, same as the previous one. Here this part will be behind and this will be forward. So this is the product we get, and the answer will be option number B and option number D. Sorry, option number C. Thank you.